You are welcome to the Blockchain College, your go-to YouTube channel where you learn more about blockchain technology, NFTs, the future of finance, DeFi, metaverse, and lots more. In this video, I will explain NFTs and their investment opportunities. But before we proceed, kindly like and share this video. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications on more interesting new videos. Now, let's begin! What are NFTs? The idea of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has been around for quite some time. It has only become notable due to the prevalence of cryptocurrencies. NFTs and cryptocurrencies are examples of the financial use cases of novel technology, blockchain, even though they differ. NFT is an acronym for non-fungible tokens. It is one of the blockchain community's biggest buzzwords, representing digital artwork created, owned, exhibited, and traded on a blockchain. It could be a painting, drawing, picture, video, piece of music, or even a tweet. Suffices to say that the future Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, or Michelangelo can now have their artwork as NFTs rather than the traditional artistic form. Contrasting cryptocurrencies, NFTs are non-fungible. What does this mean? In the financial market, a $100 note, for example, can be exchanged for 5 $20 bills, which means it is fungible, but two NFTs don't equate to one another. Think of NFTs as a birth certificate. For example, it is a unique and one-of-a-kind proof that it's yours and can't be replaced with anything else. Just like you can't exchange your birth certificate with another person's, each NFT has unique features that can't be exchanged. How are NFTs valued? Having understood what NFTs are, you might ask, why would anyone pay $5,000 or a huge fortune for a piece of art, especially when they can just download it in one click? Yes, they can have it, but they don't own it. NFTs provide digital provenance, which is verifiable on the blockchain. So you might have downloaded one, but you do not have the bragging right or copyright that everyone can verify on a public blockchain. That said, like any other financial asset, value is often perceived. The value of an NFT is based on the value buyers give it. The fiat currency you have in your wallet has value because everyone agrees it does, otherwise, it would just be a piece of paper. The value will increase if the audience accepts the NFT being sold to them. For instance, if you own an Aston Martin that once was owned by James Bond, you have something valuable because everyone knows 007, but in the real sense, you can get the same model anywhere else. That is why CryptoPunks and NBA Top Shot have this immense value, and to be realistic, we all have soft spots for a few things that might seem odd to others. Before we proceed further, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. What does it mean to mint an NFT? Minting an NFT means turning a digital file, like a JPEG, GIF, or PNG, into a digital asset or crypto collectible on the blockchain. When your unique token is minted or published on the blockchain, you'll be able to list it for sales. Minting is now free on most marketplaces and relatively small on others that still charge. You can create a single NFT or generate multiples as a collection with a piece of art. Depending on the marketplace you're minting and listing your NFT, you may be able to add a name, description, and other metadata to your token. You can also earn a royalty on secondary sales of your NFTs at a certain percentage, up to 10%. Future of NFT. The advent of NFTs has paved the way with additional perks for aspiring artists. Not too long ago, the former CEO and co-founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, sold his first tweet as NFT for $2.9 million in March 2021, being the first NFT significant sales. You've probably heard about Beeple's Everyday's NFT sold for $69.3 million also in March 2021, and which goes for $28.9 million in November the same year. How about Pax the Merge NFT sold at $91.8 million in December 2021? The Assange and Pax Clock NFT was also auctioned for $52.7 million. Due to its increasing popularity, people are now willing to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for NFTs. David Gerard, author of Attack of the 50-Foot Blockchain, and many other crypto experts projected that around 40% of new crypto users would use NFTs as their entry point. As a result of its growing popularity, NFT could represent a more significant part of the digital economy in the future. Are NFTs here to stay? Short answer, yes! Outrageous evaluations will settle down, but these unique digital assets are not going anywhere because NFTs are not limited to digital art. They have several use cases such as gaming, collectibles, metaverse, music, and other utilities that are yet to be explored and exploited. You can get on the train and start generating your NFTs today. Thanks for watching! Do you have any questions? Let us know via the comment section. Kindly like and share this video. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button.